Best local AI for coding in 2025. So if you're tired of sending your code to cloud-based AI tools and want full control over your data and models, local AI coding assistants are the way to go. And in this video, we'll break down the best local AI tools for coding in this year, comparing their speed, accuracy, and ease of setup, so you can pick the right one for your workflow. And starting off with Ollama, it's currently the easiest way to run large language models locally on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Ollama supports popular models like CodeLlama, DeepSeek Coda, Mistral, and Phi 3, all with just a simple command. You can pull models directly with something like Ollama, pull CodeLlama, and start chatting instantly in your terminal, or with integrations like VS Code and LM Studio. Performance-wise, Ollama is optimized for both CPU and GPU acceleration. If you have an NVIDIA or Apple Silicon GPU, it's incredibly fast, making it ideal for real-time code assistance and refactoring. It also works offline, so your code never leaves your machine. A huge plus for privacy and enterprise security. Next is LM Studio, one of the most user-friendly local apps out there. Think of it as their desktop ChatGPT, but powered entirely by local models. It supports the same model formats as Ollama, including ggUF, and lets you chat, run suggestions, and even compare responses between models side by side. LM Studio also has model management, letting you browse, download, and organize AI models without touching the command line. It's especially good for developers who want an intuitive interface instead of a purely terminal-based workflow. If you want a true AI code completion experience like GitHub Copilot, but fully offline, check out Tabby. It's an open source project that runs on your own hardware and integrates directly into IDEs like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. It supports models trained for coding tasks and can be deployed on Docker or even within your local network for team setups. The best part, you can connect it to local LLMs via Ollama or use specialized code models like StarCoder or DeepSeek Coda. If privacy and control are your priorities, Tabby is a powerful and lightweight. And next is Continue, a free and open source Copilot alternative that's rapidly growing in popularity. It runs as a VS Code extension and supports both local and remote models. You can connect Continue to Ollama, LM Studio, or even API-based models like Claude or GPT if you prefer hybrid setups. What makes Continue unique is its context awareness. It scans your open files, understands your code base, and provides contextually relevant suggestions. It's one of the few tools that truly feels like a AI pair programmer you can fully control. And finally, there's Jan, an offline ChatGPT alternative that's surprisingly good for quick code explanation and debugging. It runs local models, supports chat history, and even has built-in file browser for referencing your code directly. Jan isn't built specifically for coding, but with the right model like CodeLlama or Mistral Instruct, it performs remarkably well for scripting and small project work. And now let us talk about which one is best. So if you want the fastest setup and most flexible model support, go with Ollama. If you prefer a clean interface and visual control, LM Studio is ideal. For team use and code auto-completion, Tabby takes the win. And if you want a smart context-aware assistant inside VS Code, Continue Dev is unbeatable. All of them give you privacy, control, and freedom from cloud APIs. And with GPUs becoming more powerful, local AI for coding is only getting better. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, of course, and subscribe for more AI developer tool reviews. And if you already use a local AI setup, or drop a comment below with your favorite model. I'd love to know what's working best for you.